Good morning. Today we will start the chapter uh, Human Eye and Colorful World. And the topic is the human eye structure and function. The eye is the organ that allow us to see the world around us. Okay. It is perhaps the most wonderful and perfect optical instrument. Without eye, all the optical instruments would have no value at all. Okay. Structure and working. Okay. The human eye is a dark spherical chamber filled with a transparent fluid in it. Okay. Uh, it consists of an eyeball having a diameter of about 25 uh, millimeter. The walls of the eyeballs consist of two major layers. The outer covering is known as sclerotic layer. It is a tough, opaque, white substance and it forms the white portion of the eye. The front of this coat forms a curved section known as cornea. So, okay, cornea, it is made up of transparent substance and is bulging outwards. The light coming from object enter the eye through cornea. Okay. Uh, a simplified diagram of the human eye is shown here. Okay. And the first is cornea. Okay. Just uh, just behind the cornea is the iris. Just behind the cornea is iris or the colored diaphragm. Okay. Iris behind the cornea or the inside the eyeball there is a transparent convex lens made up of transparent and flexible material like a jelly made up of protein. Okay. After that the ciliary muscles. Okay. Um, the eye lens is kept in its position by a strong elastic frame made up of ciliary muscles. Uh, the focal length of eye lens and hence its converging power can be changed by the action of ciliary muscles. Okay. Iris and pupil. Okay. Just behind the corona is the iris or the colored diaphragm. The color of the iris is different for the different individual depending upon the pigment present in it. There is a hole in the middle of the iris which is called the pupil of the eye. The pupil dilated or the contracted depending upon the amount of light available. Okay. Change the pupil size, regulate the, okay. Huh. Uh, in the muscles attached to the iris automatically adjust the size of the pupil according to the intensity of light received by the eye. When the light is very bright, the pupil become very small, while in a dim light it dilated fully through the relaxing of the iris. Uh, thus we can say that the iris regulate the amount of light entering the eye by adjusting the size of pupil. Okay. The screen of the eyeball where the image of the objects are formed is called retina. It is located behind the eye lens at the back portion of the eye. The retina is a highly sensitive surface made up of nerves, rods and cones, and communicate with the brain through the optic nerves. The least sensitive portion or the point on the retina is known as the blind spot, and the most sensitive point is called the yellow spot. Okay. Okay, is called the yellow spot. The inverted image formed on the retina is communicated to the brain via the optic nerves, and it is in this process of signal transmission that the inverted image is reinverted to give us the usual impression of an erect image. Each eye has the 6 muscles attached externally to it. These control the movement of the eyes. And the function of the eyes, there are a lot of function. Uh, uh, Eyeballs through there is a lot in the eye lens is a biconvex lens and the form a real and inverted image on the retina. Okay, these signals are sent to the brain. Okay, inverted image formed by the corona and the eye lens on retina. Okay. Okay, now we comes to the next topic, and that is the power of accommodation. Okay. The ability of an eye to the focus the distant object as well as the nearby objects on the retina by changing the focal length or converging power of its lens is called the power of accommodation. Okay. Uh, As you know, the eye lens is composed of a fibrous jelly-like material made up of crystalline protein. It is a biconvex lens of the short focal length. Ciliary muscles, as you know, ciliary muscles can slightly change the curvature of the lens. Okay, when we see the object immediately, okay, one by one, which are placed at the different distance, our lens has to change its focus length to have the best picture on the retina. Okay. So the ability of the eye lens to adjust its focal length is called the accommodation point. And for the far object or the distant object, uh, when the ciliary muscles relax, ओके जब वो आराम की पोजीशन में रहती है एंड द लेंस बिकम थिन, तो उस समय जो लेंस वो थिन हो जाता है। दिस इंक्रीजेज द फोकस लेंस एंड द डिस्टेंस ऑब्जेक्ट्स कैन बी सीन क्लियरली। In this condition, in curvature of the eye lens is minimum. Okay, eye lens is first is when the object is placed at infinity. Okay. Okay. Huh. In this condition, in curvature of the eye lens is minimum, that is the radius of the curvature and the focus length are maximum. Okay. And for the nearby object, when we look at the object closer to the eye, the ciliary muscles contract. This increase the curvature of the eye lens and decrease its focal length. This enables us to see the nearby object clearly. Nearby object clearly. So, the power of the eye to accommodate the focal length of its lens, due to which object placed nearby and far by can seen, is known as its power of accommodation of eye. And the next topic is near point and the furthest point. Okay, the point nearest to the eyes at which an object is visible clearly is called the near point, and the point up to which eye can see when fully relaxed is called is far point. The far point of a normal eye is as infinity. The distance between the near point and the far point is called the range of vision. For a normal eye, the range of the vision is from 25 centimeter to infinity. Okay. Due to a wide variety of the factor and age, the eye can exhibit a behavior different from its normal behavior. Uh, we then talk to of the eyes as a having one or other defects of vision. There are the three types of defects of vision, and the first is myopia or the near sightedness, and the second is hypermetropia or the far sightedness, and the third is presbyopia. Okay. So, the first is myopia. Uh, Myopia or the short sightedness is that defect of the eye due to which an eye cannot see the distant object clearly, okay, though it can see the nearby object clearly. It is due to the high converging power of the eye lens, and the main causes of the short sightedness are and the main causes, it happens because of the elongation of eyeball and thus increasing the distance of the retina from the eye lens. And the second point is the focal length of the eye lens is decreased because of the increment of the thickness of the lens. रेडियस बढ़ जाता है जिससे फोकस दूरी कम हो जाती है. Due to this defect of the image of object placed at the infinity, forms before the retina instead of forming a um, forming the object from uh, refracting of the eyes instead of the meeting at retina. Okay. And the prevention of the short sightedness. Okay. This defect can be corrected by using the spectacles with the concave lenses. Okay. When a concave lens uh, okay, defect of eyes, use the okay, okay. Uh, A concave lens is very close to the eye, therefore, distance of f from the concave lens, f can also be considered x. If the focal length of the concave lens is small f, then by the lens formula is 1 upon v minus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon f. Okay. And the u is minus infinite and the v is minus x, and the f is calculating by us. Okay, therefore, uh, 1 upon minus f minus 1 upon minus infinite is equal to 1 upon small f. So, 1 upon, so f is equal to minus x. Okay. Therefore, focal length of the concave lens should be equal to the distance of the far point of the defected eye. Okay. And the second is um, uh, hypermetropia or the long sightedness. Long sightedness is a defect of the eye due to which an eye cannot see the nearby object clearly, though it can see the distant object clearly. It is due to the low converging power of the eye lens, and the main causes of the long sightedness are it happens because of the shortening of the eyeball. And the second is the focal length of the eye lens is increased because of the decreasing in the thickness of eye lens. Okay. Okay. For a normal eye, at least the distance of the vision is about 25 centimeter, but for a long sighted person, that's near point is at a greater distance, more than 25 centimeter. The rays from the normal near point do not form the image on the retina, but behind the retina or behind it. Okay. And the correction or the prevention for the long sightedness, the defect can be corrected by using the spectacles with the convex lens. And the last one is presbyopia. Okay. The power of the accommodation of the eyes usually decrease with aging. Most people near point gradually recedes away. Okay. They find it difficult to see the nearby object comfortably and the distinct without correctively eye glasses. This effect is called the presbyopia. Okay. In this presbyopia, accommodation power of the lens become impaired. It arises due to the gradual weakness of the ciliary muscles and the diminishing the flexibility of the eyeball.